Hi everyone, welcome to Belorraine. So in today's video, I will be reviewing the new family member for the brand Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tightening Toner. This toner is completely different from your regular toners because it was inspired by the Korean Aqua Peel Facial, which focuses on the duality of exfoliating and hydrating your skin. This product has so many goody ingredients, and such as watermelon, which is rich in amino acids. It hydrates, soothes, and helps improve fine lines and wrinkles. Another ingredient would be cactus water, which has electrolytes and amino acids that help retain moisture. Also, it gives that springy, bouncy liquid texture. PHA, which is a polyhydroxylic acid, which helps to resurface and smooth the skin and is ideal for many skin types, even sensitive ones. Due to their larger molecular size, allows it to sink more gradually, giving the skin more time to adjust and react. BHA is the most effective ingredient that helps reduce the appearance of pores and blackheads. And lastly, cucumber, which it contains a high percentage of water that helps to cool skin off. The scent has herby, fruity, and definitely you smell that cucumber. One thing that I really love using this is because it made my skin plumpy, supple, and glowy. So for performance, I would definitely give it a 5. I feel that it helped reduce the inflammation of my acne and also helped speed up the healing process. I've been using this product for 2 weeks now and I've seen a more hydrated skin. For the price, I would definitely give it as well a 5. On the Glow Recipe website is $34, and they actually recently launched a smaller size, which is the meaty size, and it's $15. If you were looking for a new toner, try this one out. Go right ahead, go to their website, glowrecipe.com. Don't worry, I'll be posting the website link on the description box down below. This was my review. I hoped you liked it. Please don't forget to share, like this video, and subscribe to my channel to learn more about Korean product reviews and Korean routines. I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!